It was a tough time, full of non-creative tasks, tight deadlines, and questionable and strange revision requests. Never-ending revision requests. So, what if I implement the most ironic client's feedback into something iconic? Let's say into Skittles bag. We will start with the most mysterious client's feedback ever. Could you make it pop? Honestly, there must be a graphic design Nobel Prize for explaining us what clients means by that. So, to make it pop, I completely disrespect all the empty spaces, add house to the background, crank up the colors, and make it as busy as humanly possible. And all of this in graffiti style, because why not? I prepare in the mockup, main objects are separated, so everything is ready to vandalize the rainbow. I'll start with the word fruits and rewrite it in a graffiti style font, and roughly blocking out where the letters made life. Even for a fun project, I prefer some kind of organization. So yes, the letters go on into the folder always. Now it's time to play with sizes and placements. Big, small, further, just tasting what feels right. Next up, blending options. Let's add some colors. And yes, I am absolutely steal them from the rainbow. Now a bit of shadow play and more color tweaks. I'll make the if glow just a little, nothing too dramatic. Okay, this feels like the right direction. I'll copy the layer style to save the time and just adjust the colors for the next letter. And then repeat everything for all the letters. Once the colors are done, I can finally focus on composition, finding the right place for each letter so the whole thing feels balanced and fun. I'm going to place the word around the rainbow and hope the composition agrees. Now let's fix the color of the R. I'm not loving it. The goal here is maximum chaos, so I'm throwing a brick pattern over the whole package. Less is more is clearly not my design philosophy today. I'll copy it to cover the whole package, merge everything, add a mask, and see which blending mode behaves, and adjust the transparency. Time to shuffle the layers and elements. A few quiet nudges here and there, until pretends it was always meant to be this way. A little magic with candies. This one disappears just to let the R breathe. The R gets slightly bigger, the F too, and this candy goes away so the F can finally be seen. At this stage, the bottom of the package stays empty on purpose. That space is reserved for nutritional information and slogan that will pretend it was always part of the plan. And now, it's time for the second here of the show, and it's called Could You Play with the Fonts? Sure, why not? The background is already graffiti inspired, so consistency demands more graffiti. We already have 2 fonts on the layout, so to make our clients happier, we will add the third one. After searching, scrolling, and looking at thousands of graffiti fonts, I find the fanciest one On the second page of the first website, I open it. Font name and link in the description. First, I create a path for the slogan and type Taste the Rainbow. Then I start dancing with the colors, adjusting character styles. No system, just intuition. And a bit of moving things around here and there. Now it's time for the nutrition data. Yes, that means a fourth font, but don't worry, this one behaves. Nutrition data has to stay readable even for fun projects. I have boundaries. This part took forever, no joke, I aged a little when adjusting font sizes. Anyway, after a lot of back and forth, this is where the nutrition data finally lands. Okay, I think that's enough font games. Client could be proud. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to make every client's come true and we'll go with the make the logo bigger request. Dear design community, please don't cancel me for doing this. So let's make the Skittles logo bigger and the bigger, okay, even bigger. Wow, I did this. I literally made the logo bigger. Strange feeling, honestly. Alright, that's enough with the revisions. We are officially done. Somehow it survived my initial plan to make it ugly. Done. Guys, I got a bit excited and in a rush and I forgot to tell you thanks for watching. And if you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video. Bye bye!